Okay, hey, welcome back, guys. I am opening up some Saekano today. So I was planning on kind of skipping the English release because I just really hate the stamps. I can't get behind it. But I ended up grabbing some trial deck displays, so I'm going to crack open one of them today. I ended up buying three. And yeah, just trying to see what we can get. The triple rares that you get out of here are all really, really nice. I actually ended up buying the Airy already because I was impatient and didn't want to wait for my displays to come in. So yeah, got a pretty good deal on it. I'm starting to think nobody bought Saekano at all because yeah, I'm just not seeing a lot for sale. Ooh, super rares are really, really nice looking. Yeah, let's get these out of here. And yeah, we will get into these trial decks. So I haven't opened up any yet. Yeah, really, really nice. I love this anime. But like I said, I just really hate the stamps. So I'm not really buying any sets that have stamps. But yeah, I really want to get the full set of the triple rares out of these trial decks, and some of them aren't even listed on TCG Player right now a week after release, and there's been like one sale, and otherwise people have them listed for absolutely insane amounts, like $150 for the Megami, and yeah, that's crazy. So I will not be buying that. So yeah, hopefully we just pull it. Man, super rare. Look really, really good. Haven't seen that yet. So we do have the Megami and the Uta. Really, really, really nice. So yeah, we can go through the trial deck on the first one. She is definitely my favorite. So we do have Airy. Love that face. She's not gracing the playmat, unfortunately. She has her own playmat, but I didn't bust it out today. This one was already open, so I was like, eh. And it's only fitting, seeing as we're trying to get the swimsuit triple rares. Had to pull out the swimsuit playmat. Main heroine. So yeah, I didn't grab any booster boxes, but I probably will hit up my LGS and see if they have any. So cute. Love that outfit. So yeah, I probably will grab a couple if I can, just from them. Okay, here's our first climax, gold bar. And 2 soul. That's a really, really cool card. I like that. Hadn't seen that. Hadn't really looked at the cards, especially from like the trial deck and stuff. Mostly just seen like deck lists from like post set 3. So a lot of these cards are new to me. So yeah, I'm surprised more people didn't end up buying it, but I don't know. It just doesn't seem, if people bought it, they're not selling it. There's like no buzz on Facebook. Usually when a new set comes out, you got like sales posts left and right. But I didn't see any. For like almost a week, I saw like 1 or 2 people selling foils, which is crazy. Alright, so we're getting pretty close to the end. Door. Okay, so there's the Megumi, the Erori, Ukaha, and the other Megumi. Okay, so no foil in that one. It's okay. 1 down. So normally, I do have pretty good luck with trial deck openings that I've done on here. So yeah, let's hope that continues. Honestly, I don't really care about the SP. I mean, I'm sure it looks nice in person. But yeah, the stamp just doesn't really do it for me. Okay, so we've already gone through this. Oops. So we're just like basically cutting right to the end. So no. Make sure I didn't miss anything, but I'm pretty sure it would be in one of those last 4 slots. Okay. Nothing. So I'm curious to see if you hit an SP, do you still get a triple rare? Since it is such an old set, I wonder if they just like went with the old JP ratios where it's unlikely to get an extra foil, or if they kind of kept it the way they've been doing it lately where you're guaranteed a triple rare, even if you do get the SP. So yeah. Nothing. Okay. Alright, well, if that is the case, then we have to hope both of these have something in it, but oh, oh my gosh. There we go. Damn. Okay. That is really, really nice looking. So I guess we'll find out if we do get the triple rare as well. Yeah, that's really nice. I think it does look really good. I wish they would have gone with the colorful flower that they did from the main set, but other than that, really, really nice looking. But man, I love the triple rare so much that I'm like slightly disappointed, especially if we don't get one. But I mean, I can't complain about an SP. I'm more than happy to take it. So yeah, I guess we'll put that theory to the test right now. We're either gonna get a triple rare or not. So wow, yeah, the trial deck luck does continue. Yeah, that's really nice to see. Okay, let's see. And okay, so no. So yeah, it's basically they went with the old ratios, which makes sense because there's only 3 triple rares. So yeah, cool. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and there we go, Megumi.